Open my vlog, bro. Open my vlog.
Let's go to the fresh ways, you know me. What's the last way today?
Damn.
Let's see.
What up? What's going on to you guys? Can expose I'm a vlogger now. How do you feel about vlog? Fever. I'm a superstar. Killing Shark. Oh my god, this is a couple of the year. Oh my god, this is a couple of pause. Couple of the year. Love. Yeah, love. Oh my god, this is it. YouTube. Come to my YouTube channel, man. Come to my YouTube channel. Chop it. I'm some random people standing from the Montana to come some Tanzania no Montana can call me. Same time needed. I come to my YouTube channel, man. I come to my Lela Fate. Fandi going to shoot, smash or pass. Uyangazi. Uzokufezela zonke lentwana zama fresh boys because we always fresh boy. Oh shit, I think I'm gonna go back to rap. I don't wanna lie, bro. To be honest, yeah. Today is I think first I don't know. First Horas, I don't know. But we're there. We're here to shoot this Metro Pulse. Let's enjoy the vlog, man. Open my vlog, bro. Open my vlog.
Let's go to the fresh ways, you know me. What's the last way today?
Come on. I don't even know where you're going. Fostoras, I think it's Fostoras or the Fosto what, I don't know. But yeah, what's the call? If you didn't subscribe, you can subscribe. Let's operate. Let's spoil it. Hey, Junior Face. How are you?
Full of Yamaluna gang, no tender. They don't really see me gang, had to start no like shot to chalala. Bobby's to chalala. I'm chilling with these niggas, I don't even know them. If you see Pende Physic, I can tell them Sigale. I city shalala, I city shalala. Exami chichi. If man phone can by Uncle Penovin, come over Billy. Fresh pussy fishy. Zimage was mama cause the chest is semanzini. Kunzimano wibuga, he goes to the spilly. Yati saucy but a witty, woolly patao a witty. I can wait to shop and waiting for to again no my me. Lalagan Janis Nagashangan is me. Kupa chalate, Harry Berake, Kupa chalate, to me, Harry Berake. Kupa, hey.
Are you losing order, poison?
Hi guys, it's your boy Farad, the Fresh Boys. That's not me.
That's not me.
Yeah. Still at a paper. I'm not jumping. My leg jump is here.
Talk.
I'm not jumping.
Yo, I punchy. No, tell him how are you?
I'm good on yourself. Bro, take pumping.
Poison, you're losing order.
I'm jumping. Yes.
Damn.
Let's see.
What up? YouTube.
Hello, Is it?
Yeah, shy. Don't know what to do.
see. I'll see on YouTube.
Yeah.
The one I'm post. How do I look?
You look like Talata paper.
I look like Telata paper, bro. I'm Telata Mbobo.
Oh shit.
I'm the one with okay.
Talata Toho.
Telata Tlhogo.
Oh shit.
Funa nam. Lapho sefo slora simphe kunjani? Mara yazi mara ngiyathanda ukuphaphela abantu mara.
Wena bheka njani? Wena bheka.
Ongathi emakhuleni baba le.
Funa sikona. Angathi uvala igate. Ngathi mama uphume ngemoto ade uzovala.
Simple. Angithi awungayi cash. I dress simple.
Dress simple.
Kumele umthengele insipho.
Kumele ngithe awugezi ngensipho. Oh niyamuzwa ngithi athi kumele ngimthengele insipho.
Please sponsor Nugazi ntwana.
Please sponsor Lunchak, please guys. Let's go operate the video first.
That's fine. Ele kush. So.
Hey, angitho inyaka.
What's going on to you guys? Can expose ntwana. I'm a vlogger now. How do you feel about it? I'm becoming boost, right? Bafetha sifayeni soshoot kanti sishune ne prom. Sishune ne prom.
Yeah, ngithi ngisenza fast man.
Awasiskini abangisikanga ngathi ngisikiphe bese
Okay. And then we have to operate that video, ne? Ne? Noma bangibeka nawe.
Just sokenza ngihlabile. Hey.
Oh shit.
Sometimes ngiyayibuza kanti
Oh shit. Whose baby is that?
Boy. What the fuck?
Girlfriend kabani ntwana yami.
Boy, akuna mobilizer ngada.
Yeah, wenzani mdeva no? Ujoinile no. That's why nama views so. Na ungayibaba le. Kunenza.
Today's video is probably sponsored by Pregnancy Tholala Umdeva.
Shit.
Umdeva wazi ukukhuluma isilungu. Angithi umenier batshela.
Let's pause.
Was isilungu deep bro. Was ushasha ama brand asebenze nathi.
Yeah.
But luckily we got it. It's not just any brand.
Yeah.
It's a quality
If you
brand.
guys nani nifuna operate.
Ngani bambeni le match guys. Zama ukubamba it's imobheke le video nge-TV. Oze TV uyithatha uzoyifila material. If you bang a phone, shale phone uzoyizwa.
Oh shit! Oh shit! I can feel it.
It's quality.
I can feel it. How are you? Yo, you looking fresh. Orafa! Oh shit! Is that his style? Yo, you want so time shit? Time shit? End it. Oh, follow superstar.
YouTube. That's crazy, bro.
That's crazy.
No one is watching you, bro.
That's crazy
People don't care, bro.
Yeah, as long as we did our work, boys.
Yeah, man. You see now we can.
Wait on, guys.
What's up? Didi.
Relax. Relax.
Let me your attention.
Mamba creme, Umdeva.
Relax. Relax away. Relax.
Karike after school para kayo kaya ba?
Manje waphuza kahaje ugcoke kahaje yini? Show Umdeva.
Kodwa dalo ngishayile Umdeva la picture fana. Bawunyatha mfanaka. Unali masipha ka picture.
Sushiro ya hauda.
Yenza.
Fana.
Oi.
Why you so sondela so na wena?
Ngishaya bro.
Yeah.
Trying to be YouTube, you know.
Angishuthi ke Mdeva.
Shit, ngiyakhuda amashit eka.
Whoa! YouTube!
Sikuna abole khunja lisani bese. Tell the paper, oh my god, I have a crush on you. I have a crush.
Big crush.
Oh my God, where you be? Ubukuphi oh?
Bengikhona lana wena my knight in shining armor uzongisida ngamashini. Sizoshaya amakhapha.
How are you? Come on. Nah, listen Moses.
Keep on.
Bava abantu tona. Bava. Ngiyakubona phela la ku YouTube ngiyakubukela Kiso slap la video. Ngiyakubona ngitana yami. Ngiyakubona semamall ka. Ngiyakubona shiyangithola. No watch like this nigga is pimpy.
Kancane siyaphambili.
Shit, how do you feel bro? How do you feel the motion injani kayeka slako no?
Motion ase fucked up man. I fucked up. Ngiyabonga suppose se first class manje.
Yeah, shit.
Tona kusa ekva ko mall tanga. Akusafitla ko mall webse khundule ko mall dan batho ba 10.
Hard.
Ubonza go sekisipana ka.
No, you have to cook something.
Yeah.
Let me put on your blinded son.
It's me.
No, tala abadala bazofika bazocosha nombubani khona ngifake blinded lisenze into right.
I will cook gonna see. Yeah.
Gonna see. Ilaligaba.
Ngiyakho ke sesitaba tsikwa
Oh, laligaba. But I even say of you on mall ukuthi ufuna ama la you raising hands la ungathi ufuna khona girlfriend la uhamba ucela ama number.
Yeah.
I was like this nigga have gwaba lo.
Okay.
But you gonna show me game today, hey?
Show you game don't
No stress. Pesa zola tapiva. Kima superstar killing shop. Oh my God, this is a couple of the year. Oh my God, this is a couple of vibes. Pause. Couple of the year. Love. Oh my God, this is it. Oh, long shark and tell us a paper by a paper. Oh shit.
Owami lo mangabona intombazana emsondeli ezothina ngawo.
Khonyonya. Yamnithisa yena.
Ngithi mina manje ngingamthatha ne amantombazana ase-Alex ngizongazi kahle mina ngizokulanda kini. Hayi angeke ngibukeke Nkosi yami.
Oh shit. Let's talk to this hand, bro. Let's talk to this hand, bro. How are you, babe? Oh shit. This is not normal. This is discipline, boys. Discipline traits. When you see this one, just say discipline. You understand? Hey, I don't understand. It's okay. It's to me. Tango. Come on, Tango, just shoot.
Oh, fuck, I'm tired, bro.
Oh, I'm so fucking tired, bro.
Be a man.
How you feeling, boys? And how are you?
How am I feeling?
How was
I feel great.
Subscribers, how do you feel about that?
With the 300k subscribers.
Yeah, talk to us.
I feel scrumptious, man.
Come on now.
It's God.
First time you started this shit,
My team.
you thought you
Nah, the first time I started this thing, man.
Tell us a story.
It was all games, man. It was all fun and games, bro. Because I was just doing it because I fell in love with it.
Yeah.
And I was one wrong for a start now from SK.
Wait. This shit started from school?
Yeah, from
That cool nigga school?
Dog, we've been cool since high school, dog. We've been cool since high school.
What do you mean in school?
I'm doing a TikTok.
Oh, you was doing those
interviews and
So
like I'm recommendations like on TikTok, but I should dog, hey dog, your persona dog is
just start something.
Yeah, man. You better try YouTube and see how it goes. So I was like, damn, YouTube? What is that?
Shit.
Because I get to my YouTube, spare my games.
Yeah.
So I get to about King Oma. So they were like, yeah man, you should tell your own, bro. Like for real? I got to pick YouTube. And then I fell in love. Thing is, I'm gatekeeping this one, but like Bengu first time, so not 2 days first time. Shy content, she's I pretty say YouTube.
Shit, obvious.
Yeah.
Why you getting?
Yeah, man. But yeah, anyways, yeah. So like, can I do it?
Yeah, just say it, bro. It's not lazy.
Like, let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see. And then and then man, people fell in love, bro.
Yeah.
And when I began, because I got recommendations from TikTok. Not that.
Oh yeah, it didn't start and people was all like, let me just do it.
Yeah, but during the process, I'm gonna sing guitar, and so I was like, you know what? This is me, bro.
This is me, bro. So tell us, boys and tell us. Just give me some 5 best YouTubers.
5 best YouTubers. Deva Luja.
Oh shit.
Pretty Ghost.
Oh shit.
Jerry Jr. Maraga post so, but yeah, Jerry Jr.
Okay. give me Besides your friends, let's just leave your friends.
Besides
please.
my friends.
Yeah, just give me something that people will be like. You'll be
5.
like, I'm not your friend, but I can peep it. Sure.
But 5 is a lot, bro.
Okay, give me 3, Jen. Your best 3.
Mbappe guy. SA or
Now besides, SA.
SA. Angibheki SA YouTube. Ngibheka umuntu oyi-1 guy.
But
Apart from my team.
yeah,
Ghost.
go through.
Yeah, Ghost. That guy is goated, bro. Jealous down intana yami. Yena unamasimba. Noma singamkhuluma ukuthi hi nini unamasimba.
I think it's hard, bro.
He knows how to make people come and watch. Siloko sazi ukuthi it's a prank. Still gonna watch.
Still gonna watch.
Yeah.
So it only goes through.
Yeah, it just stays Ghost.
Yeah,
Then your podcast, but he open chat.
up in chat.
Yeah, ngicabeni. I think benginokuyibona ku YouTube but bengayibheki.
Yeah.
Ngibhenka lebo last week and yeah man. Into bakhuluma ngazange siya relate.
Yeah. Oh shit, you started to over like okay.
Yeah man, this shit is, let me give this a chance. And I was like, damn, this shit is busting, bro.
How about Sima though?
what?
How about Sima's podcast? Something.
I won. I funa ukukhulumisa kakhulu.
I'm just saying. It's
Apply.
Upline. Yeah, I'm just saying. I love that one. I'm not saying something. I'm not saying. I'm just saying. Me, I know that one. You understand?
Afraid I nganye ntana yami. Angamona. I see what you're trying to do, man.
Slims tonight.
I see what you're trying to do.
Oh, and the food they are
man, it's all love, bro.
That's all love.
It's pity and
Let's superstars. What are the cameras?
but mina ngithanda open chats.
Open chat for life.
Yeah. Nah, but now we podcast ngiyayibheka but angithi hi. Yes, but
How are you?
What podcast?
Open chat.
ukukhulumisa kakhulu.
Open chat. Ukazi uyayikhulumela. I just ask about.
Ngithanda open chat.
Yeah.
Ungibuza ngepodcast yabosima. What
I
about?
was like, dog, you don't like it.
Why?
You understand? Ngiyanganya mina face.
Yes.
Are you true? Yeah, I was just saying.
Ngiyayibheka, yeah. Siyabheka.
So I didn't say something. I was like, bro, mina ngithuna this one.
Let me see.
No, I was like, mina ngithuna that one.
Who's was trying to cook, bro?
Yeah, the podcast abangibhekele the one by interview goes through. I want to ngithi uyazi because besibheke so.
Oh yeah.
So I was there because ngithanda ghost.
Oh,
Understand? Yeah, I'm a
so you have to cook something with ghost, Rosie. You have to cook something with ghost.
ghost, ne?
Yeah, you have to make
I
it
hope
happen.
so. So if you guys are watching this video, please comment down below. I don't know how, ne? But
They have to go
let's take a look ghost through and see if me and ghost can cook something, bro. Because I don't mind, bro. I mean, I'm faint, bro. I can faint. Ngatisha no konala. Ghost, bro. I can like.
Okay, that's crazy. You crazy right now.
No, I'm not lazy, but like I can die it now.
Yeah.
Action.
Okay. Action.
No.
Only talent for ghost.
Anyways, yeah, man. So
I shouldn't run, but just as
yeah, that's why I'm gonna take this key mode. You
Yeah.
can't leave the car like hanging. I said, this is not just the car. This is YouTube. This is not just the car.
This is YouTube.
My his number, please. Because I'm a for
Yeah, but now I'm saying anything is I'm with you like they know.
They already know it.
They already
yeah,
know.
man. Please subscribe to Ghost this channel. Road to 10K subscribers, bro.
Come on, guys. Come on.
And yeah, man, I'm coming back on my. Nah, I should. Don't find the press with okay. Nah, I should. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Well, this is
Road to 500K. Le video le. Mele by pin le ntole.
Yeah.
Road to 500K subscribers before birthday yam.
Sure.
Birthday yam in 19 zaka April. Today is November. Today is October. So with 300K subscribers. So we have November, December, January, February, March. We have 5 months with the 200Ks. I'm going to not 300K. So we have 5 months with this big another 200K subscribers. We let 300K with 500,000 subscribers. So I'm going to so shy with the way we are consistent right now. So shy before 19 April. On the team. You don't believe me?
I believe you, but in real life.
Yeah, in real life, in real life, so cool my actions.
Yeah.
Understand? You gotta put the work in.
In real life, how we can matter it.
So yeah, right now we're trying to cook, man.
Just cook something.
So guys, please.
Why you want to post?
please
Now,
support us.
okay, you have to. Why you don't post?
I'm gonna post.
Why you don't post right now?
I'm gonna post because I'm still busy with something. But then.
What?
What is something?
What's
Now, I
something?
think we know.
As soon as I get
He doesn't
rid
want
of
the
it.
people to know, but we know.
Yeah.
As soon as I
So
get rid of
right
it.
now, guys, ghost don't ngatagas with whatever wenzani nana. Mara see me again, it's ghost, guys. It's ghost, guys. Understand? So anyways, yeah, man.
That's okay.
And match, asikhuluma ngama-match.
Shit.
Mara ngishilo ngathi ngale nto ngishilo, yabo?
Ungijumpise it's again.
Guys, umteva
You
kawu.
could have just like
No, like thing is maybe today ngimtshela lobisi 80. Lobisi 80.
Okay, match guys. Oh
And
shit.
yeah, guys, if you have a brand, buti locally, abroad, as long as you have a brand,
Yeah.
please DM us. We are more than welcome to operate for you.
Yeah.
Tell us the most. Yabona namanje. Understand? Mina nginandaba ukuthi in now wasn't an Air Force no so. We brand.
Yeah.
We brand wasn't an Air Force. Ne angithi manje we are a brand.
Yeah.
As promote isn't as a fake, but because of its work.
Yeah.
I can't say itegilo lale brand it's fake.
Yeah.
Because it's work, bro. You understand? We are content creators at the end of the day. We're all trying to make money. You understand? Mina mang ne mali. Nyangena shopping will take intake. But if
Yeah.
a brand approaches me right now, they came fit now 2000 and here's a cake. Please promote this thing. We have to. It's work.
That's
Who's
cool.
gonna give you that money?
Yeah.
You
That's
understand?
cool.
Which is common sense.
Common
Ingathina sihlale kasi whereby ubereka le brand lo para moya. It's fine. But at the end of the day, when njengoba ukhuluma so, do you have the 2K?
oh shit.
Understand? That's why no, I'm not saying khulumela phezulu kwama brand ukuthi abantu bangahambi bakhuluma ama brand wabantu kabi ukuthi this brand is fake, this is it's work, bruh. Now themselves they trying to make money out of that brand.
Yeah.
Understand? They wanna eat. We all wanna eat.
Chas.
Mara wena mawuzohlala ekhoneni lokuthi loya in it's fine. So ndlule thina ekhoneni siligqokile.
Come on, man.
Ula.
Dating. Feeling ways to Sasha House. That's all right. So some years ago.
I feel you dripped out, man.
Nah, damn. Never lose. Yo, what's good YouTube? Yo, that one tanga YouTube le. Yeah, tanga ang chilang kama na kuli YouTube ka.
Oh shit.
Damn. Yo, damn. Yo.
There is.
Yo, damn.
I know what I try, bro.
I must operate.
I need to just subscribe, bro. Just subscribe, bro. Just subscribe. I need to just hound everyone beside me, bro. Just hound everyone beside me, bro. Just show that I need to work hard, bro. Just subscribe. Just give me some 10K shit. I don't want. You know what? I don't. It's fine. But I think shows when I was they're gonna know me, got Frosty. And then they're gonna know me, got Frosty. But right now, just subscribe, like this video, share. Let's make it 10. Yeah.
Anyways, I was saying, man, besa khuluma ngama brand. So yeah, please
Yeah.
local brands, man. DM us. Tina, we don't mind. Understand? For the lawa swap by shop, but like if you have something similar to this and if you still promote, Scave,
Operate.
we will operate.
Operate.
Tina, we will operate.
Yeah.
It's about G machine tonight. Ngalama LV.
Yeah, we operate.
Yes.
Too short, yeah.
Shut up, work is work.
Work is work. Too short,
Yeah, man. Anyways.
no money.
When a brand ambassador, when I was Ozala.
Itamo.
Sizokusiza thina.
We gonna work with you.
And there's a brand Kina. Nah, nizoyibona masesisha.
Yeah. On.
Ngendlela ngithanda ngikhuluma ngakhona nkosiyami.
Oh my god.
Ngoba ethanda mina ngoba
About to shoot, guys.
he made his time. Yabona advice.
Wabona Rafael Khaline.
Ngeke mfana wami.
Yeah, same have look.
But I wouldn't advise.
Yeah.
Like I would.
Uthini wena? Ayikesikela.
Hayibo. Batheka isikele.
Hayi, kuthi
By the way, how are you, Cherry Junior? When you push the order, dog, just always pushing order, bro. Say, Cherry Junior, how are you?
I'm good, and yourself, how are you?
I'm good. There's no mask. Please, can you speak loud, you know? What's your voice? How you doing?
Yeah, I'm all good,
I'm good. So what, you know, please, right now?
Right now?
Because right now you're superstar to us. We miss you, Jerry. I was watching Special Pass. I was like, oh my god, I miss Jerry, bro. What's going on, bro?
Last, I just took a break over a year and I just to mice a little bit. But now I'm back.
You're back right now. You're pushing content. So what about your channel? They said please subscribe to this channel, and I follow you on IG. So I saw you throwing the link. I was like, let me go and subscribe. I was willing to see the first video. You didn't drop the first video, bro. What's going on?
The channel, man. I will drop, not now, but give me time. I still wanna upgrade. So soon I'll upgrade. Then that's what I'm gonna drop.
How many subscribers you have right now?
It's 1K plus.
You don't even know your subscribers. Straight answer, Baba. Dog, are you really?
I don't know my subscribers.
Yeah. Come back. Do that. Yeah. Ish. I'm a comment. Let's subscribe. How are you, boys? How do you feel after video? Close my channel. Close it, bro. Close the channel. Close the vlog.
Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Make sure you are paying
intro.
Player, outside, baby. Thank you so much. You have made it this far.
Sure.
Biggest fan.
Yeah, kill it.
Never do challenge it. They can find it out. But get like
Malakon emotion. Malakon is superstar. Malakon is super.
Yo guys, ready to do outside shooting some smash or pass at David to get me. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff.